Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a credit card for students. First, let's understand the basic eligibility requirements. Most student cards require you to be at least 18 years old and enrolled in a higher education institution. You'll also need to show some form of income, even if it's part-time work or an allowance. This helps lenders assess your ability to repay. Knowing these initial steps is crucial for a successful application. Next, let's explore the types of student credit cards available. Secured credit cards are a great starting point, requiring a deposit that acts as your credit limit. Many student cards offer rewards like cash back or points, which can be a nice bonus. Always look for cards with no annual fees to avoid extra costs. Choosing the right card depends on your financial situation and goals. When you're ready to apply, gather essential documents like your student ID, proof of income, and address. The application process is typically online and straightforward, asking for personal and financial details. Be honest and accurate. If your application is denied, don't worry. You can ask why and work on improving your eligibility before trying again. Persistence can pay off. Finally, responsible credit card use is key to building a strong credit history. Always pay your balance in full and on time to avoid interest and late fees. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 30% of your total limit, to show you're not over-reliant on credit. Regularly check your credit report for any errors. These habits will serve you well financially.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.